Buddy, this is a quick video in case you have a Sonos Move wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. This video is going to show you how. It's very easy. You might want to do this if you're having issues with the speaker not connecting, or if it just gets stuck in pairing mode, or if it keeps disconnecting, connecting to the wrong device, anything like that, any kind of troubleshooting with the speaker. A lot of it can be fixed with a hard reset and it's very easy to do. What we're going to do first of all, is it needs to be make sure it's not on its charging base when you do this. So you want to take it off the charging base and then press and hold the power button for 5 seconds just to make sure that the speaker is turned off. The next thing that you can do is wait a couple seconds and then hit the power button to turn it on. And as soon as you hit the power button to turn it on, as it's turning on, you're going to press and hold this join button down here. And you're just going to keep on holding this button until the status light on the speaker starts to flash orange and white. Once it happens, you can let go, and the speaker will complete its reset process, and it will flash green when it's finished. And then you can just turn the speaker on and pair it to whatever device you want, like it was when it came out of the box.